In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Groupon. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser, open up Google inside that browser, and then from here I'm going to type in promo codes for Groupon. And now a whole list of results will come up. So I've got Groupon.com, 10% off, Coupon Nation, 30% off, Coupon Follow, etc., etc., Life Hacker, Real Tell Me Not. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to couponfollow.com and now have a look at all their discounts here. They might have a better one. So you got 30% off here, 25% off. I'm in Australia, so it's going to be Australian, but if you're in a different country, it will probably be your country that you're at. So to activate 30% off, I'm going to click onto that. And now to save 30% off, so save 30, click on copy, and now paste this code at Groupon to save 30% off your order. So to activate this, just look for at the checkout section where it either says enter promo code or discount code, and that's where you want to paste this code to activate that discount.